Welcome to Paprika Boneless Day. Today we need 2 boneless chicken breasts for this chicken nugget, your homemade chicken nugget. Slash your chicken breast, your boneless chicken breast into smaller pieces. Yes, you don't have to buy packaged food. Stay away from packaged food as much as you can. You need your breadcrumbs. You're using 2 cup of breadcrumbs. You can use the white one, but this one I'm using today is the one I already seasoned. So you put 2 cup of breadcrumbs, you put your salt, you put your desired seasoning. I'll put the seasoning in the description box for this recipe. Now, you put your desired seasoning. I'll put the seasoning names in the description box. Now, brother and sister, you haven't subscribed, I want you to please subscribe, share the video. Now, you add your boneless chicken breasts in your blender. Close it. Yeah, make sure you add everything. If the blender is big, if the blender is not big, you can do it 2 different allow it to blend everything together. Yeah, like if you have that kind of rough texture and not too smooth. Yeah, see how it look like? It's very thick. Yeah, that kind of rough texture. So learn how to make your own food at home where you every day in times. Now you add your soy to it. A little bit of soy to make it too watery. Now you have that kind of thick. Yeah, it will be continue to be thick, like a thick dough. Because you're about to roll it. We're about to roll it. So you just add some oil to your surface, to your cutting board, whatever you'll be using. You just put your dough there, your nugget dough. And you continue to mix it and let it turn into a round ball. And you remember to subscribe, share this video with family, friends, and loved ones. Subscribe to our channel by supporting us as we make these homemade dish at home, and a lot of things will be done on this channel by the grace of God. So if you want to learn more on this channel, please subscribe, hit the notification button. Just continue to make it flat to the roller and roll it. Allow it to get very flat because we're about to cut it into our desired pieces. Yeah, it's very flat now. Now you can cut it into your desired pieces. Some chicken nugget is round, some is flat. That's the way you want it. It's a homemade nugget, so make it into the way you desire it. So if you haven't subscribed, I want you to be subscribed to this how it look like. Now I'm gonna cut it using my cutter into my desired pieces. If you haven't subscribed yet, I want to encourage you to please subscribe and share the video by supporting this channel. We are almost to 400. I want us to reach to 500 just from the video or more. So please subscribe and share the video. Hit the notification button. By the grace of God, we are getting there. So this is how it look like. My chicken nugget is almost ready. My homemade nugget. You don't have to feed your children with too much of packaged food. Make your own food at home. Feed your children with fresh food. Yep. If your children love to eat chicken nugget, make your own chicken nugget at home. Feed your children. Now you bust your 2 eggs. I use 2 eggs and you just mix it together. Whip it together. Now you add your milk. Use your 2 spoons of milk. You're using the top of the milk, but you can use your 2 tablespoons. Put 2 tablespoons of fresh milk. Now you just season your egg and your milk, everything. That's my salt, and I'll put everything I used down in the description box. season it good and mix it together. Please hit the notification button. Now you add your oil to your frying pan. Yes, I oil to your frying pan. Now you add some breadcrumbs into your bowl. Now this is the egg. Put the nuggets in the egg and allow the egg to cover the nugget. After the egg cover the nugget, please watch me what I'm doing. Allow the egg to cover the nugget, and you take the egg from the nugget. You take the nugget from in the egg and lay it in the breadcrumbs. You see me doing it? Put in the breadcrumbs and allow the bread and cover it with the breadcrumbs. Apply it to every chicken nugget. And you can lay it on your cutting board. If you haven't subscribed, I want you to please subscribe. Repeat the process. Subscribe and share the video with family, friends, and loved ones. As we await the soon return of our Lord and Savior, I will make most of these videos. Please support us by sharing. Please support us by subscribing. Please support us by hitting the notification button and the likes button also. Yeah, this is how it look like. This is how the chicken nugget look like. Now I have to fry it. Take your time, fry it till it turn brown. It will look like kind of brown like. When the camera looking brown, but real life it's looking like yellowish. That's how it look like. But the camera make it look brown, but it's looking like yellowish. Not too brown, not too yellowish. Yeah. This is how it look like. Once it's brown, take it out, put it in a paper towel, allow the oil to absorb. Next time I'm facing, I will try to use the air fryers to see how it come out. So my children really love chicken nuggets, so nowadays I will be making their chicken nugget at home. I won't buy the packaged one again. This is how it look like. So thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe and share the video with family, friends, and loved ones. God bless you. This is how my children really enjoy the chicken nugget. To say, Mommy, I want some. Mommy, can I have some? Yeah, they enjoy it. Yeah, bye-bye. Make your children smile. Make your children to eat fresh food. Make them happy at home. Let them enjoy their childhood. God bless you.